Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Plangdes. If you're new, you're highly welcome. Please hit the subscribe button. Let's learn and grow together. And if you're returning, you're also highly welcome. Thank you so much for checking in on me again. Please do well to like this video, leave positive comments below, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and share. Thank you so much. So as you can see by today's title, we're going to be doing a challenge. Yes, I'm going to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. And let's hope that this is not a fail. So I have my timer here. Yeah, I've set it for 5 minutes. And hoping that I'll be able to, beat up the time. So I'm going to be beating my face, yeah. My gorgeous and not so perfect face, yeah. Guys, we are doing the basics. We are not doing anything extra. We cut it off. So I will soon be starting. Actually, I have everything arranged here by my side. So I'm going to be leaning towards my right a lot because I have almost everything I need here. Yeah, so I just arranged everything down to make it very easy for me. And so I'm about to hit the start button. Our time has started counting. Okay. What do I do first? I don't even know. Okay. I think I'm going to go in with my foundation. Jesus. My foundation is not opening. Okay, I'm not putting myself under pressure. I'll try as much as possible not to. Okay. Let's see how that goes. This fine hair baby did. I'm going to remove it too. It's standing in the way. So, yeah guys. Foundation first. Like say we go come out this hair. Oh my Jesus God, it's today that my foundation is not cooperating. Oh my God. Okay. Guys, no time to dab. We rub that in. Next time we'll dab. No, we don't have much to do. Hey! I've used 2 minutes to rub foundation. Blood of Jesus. Concealer. Just a little bit of that is fine. Okay. Oh my God. Hey, will I be able to meet up with this? Will I be able to do so? Okay. Oh. Guys. So we're not doing eyeshadow. I doubt if we have time to do that, because I think we are gorgeous the way we are. Where's my powder? So I'm using my powder to set my whole face. I'm hoping that will do. Hey, my phone has gone off. I can't even see how much time I have left. Okay, brows. Blood of Jesus. Oh my God, my phone is ringing. Hey. Got 2 minutes. My brows, guys. My pencil fell off. I can't find it. Okay, it's on the floor. Oh my God. I'm just filling this in. I'm not drawing brows per se. Just fill it in. Oh my God. Just fill my brows. Just fill it in. Okay. I can't find brow brush, but I'm using toothbrush. Yes. Another trick, you can always use toothbrush. Lips. Oh Jesus. Oh my god, guys. This makeup challenge, they lied to you. Whoever got it right in 5 minutes, the person lied. Oh my god. You guys, you can never go wrong with lip gloss. Okay. Do we still have time for eyeshadow? Oh my god, my phone keeps ringing. I'm so sorry. And I just have a few seconds left. Mascara check. I think this is a decent look. We even have some seconds to do our hair. Oh my god, guys. What do you think? Is this okay? More powder? What do you think? More powder? Oh my god. Guys, I think this is a decent look. I can wear this out. But these brows, So I think I'm good. Okay. 5 minutes is over. So see my brows. Okay. So guys, what do you think? This 5 minutes makeup, is it even possible? Yes, it is. But if anybody slayed their face in 5 minutes, sis, they lied to you. My phone kept on ringing, so I was distracted. But I think this is not bad at all. I can actually go out like this. Let me use the mirror to look up close, you know. Oh, my foundation was not bad, not at all. Like, but it's just that it does not look like I actually did any concealing at all, which I'm okay with. But like, you can never go wrong on glossy lips. No, you can't, sis. You cannot. But on a general note, I think this is okay. Yes, I can wear this. This, in fact, this is fine. This is me on a norm. I would have just loved my brows to be more defined, but this is fine. It looks more natural. What's going on here? So it looks more natural, but I think I can go out like this. Let's lay our hair. So guys, what do you think? I think I did an okay job. It might not be the best, but I think I did an okay job. So thank you so much for watching. Please do also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Share this video and please watch my other videos as well. Let's grow this channel together. Let's have more fun together. This was really fun to do. Like, I did not know that I could actually do this in 5 minutes. So guys, hey nigga, if she wasting your time, tell her to do the 5 minutes makeup. You should be going. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Please, I'll see you until next time. Bye. Oh, them brows though. Wow. No highlights. This is not bad at all. So yeah.